In this video, we'll conduct a basic PubMed search, explore PubMed filters, formats, and sorting, and demonstrate the procedure for obtaining full-text articles through the UVM libraries. Begin by going to Dana Medical Library's homepage at dana.uvm.edu and clicking on the green PubMed button in the lower right. Always access PubMed through a UVM library web page so that the icons for UVM's journal subscriptions will be displayed. If you're working from off-campus, you'll need to log in with your UVM Net ID in order to access full-text articles through our subscriptions. Suppose you want to find articles about recent efforts to develop a vaccine against the Zika virus. Enter the word Zika vaccine in the search box and click search. It is not necessary to add any punctuation, tags, or operators. The search brought up 685 results. Before looking at the results, pull the scroll bar down until you see the search details box on the right. Click on See More to see the contents of this box on a full page. Here, you'll be able to see exactly how PubMed translated and executed your query. In this case, PubMed automatically mapped both terms to an official subject term called a medical subject heading, or MESH for short. It also searched on both terms as a keyword in all fields. This combined strategy will pick up all PubMed records to which these subject tags have been assigned, as well as all records that include these words anywhere in the PubMed record, thereby casting the widest possible net. Having verified the accuracy of the query translation, go back and begin reviewing the results. 685 results is quite a large number, but if you only apply a few filters, you'll be able to create a much more focused set. At the top of the left sidebar, you'll note the filter for article types, with 2 popular article types pulled out by default and many more available under the Customize link. Select Review and also select Human Species. And you'll now be down to a total of 97 results, which is a much more manageable number. You're now ready to begin reviewing the results. As you browse the titles, you can access detailed information for any article just by clicking on the title. For this particular article, PubMed provides author information, a lovely abstract, PubMed ID, DOI, and publication type, and most importantly, MESH terms. To view the abstracts for all the results on that page, go back and go to the top of the page and click on the Format menu and select Abstract. The Abstract view will also provide icons for obtaining the full text of the articles, either directly from publishers or from specific institutions such as UVM, or for free from PubMed Central. The green UVM journal icons indicate that all UVM faculty, staff, and students will have access to that journal either as an e-journal or in print. If no UVM icon is shown, as in number 1, but there is a publisher's icon, feel free to try that. It will often provide the PDF for the article, despite the absence of the UVM icon. If full text is not available, and you're a UVM or UVM Medical Center faculty, staff, or student, you may request the article via interlibrary loan through the link on the Dana Medical Library homepage. Another useful PubMed feature is the Dana Medical Library full text link in the upper right corner. This link will only display if you access PubMed through a UVM library web page. For this search, the system indicates that we have access to 74 of the 97 results. This is usually an underestimate, since as we've seen, sometimes the green UVM icon is missing. If you are not affiliated with UVM, you may be able to obtain some full text for some articles by using the free full text link found on the left sidebar. Additional filters include publication dates, languages, subjects, age group, and so on. The default sorting mechanism in PubMed is most recent first, meaning that the most recently published articles will be presented at the top of the list. Finally, the number of results per page can be changed from the default of 20 to 50, 100, or even 200 per page. As you go through the results, check the boxes beside the articles that you wish to save. When you're done, go up to the Send To menu in the upper right corner and make a selection. To save your selections for the duration of the work session, you can send them to the clipboard. Or, for a more permanent option, you may choose to email the results, or send them to a file, or to a citation manager, such as EndNote. Finally, if you log into your own account with NCBI, you'd be able to save the results in a permanent collection. So now you have the basics of PubMed searching. For more sophisticated techniques, check out the next video, which will demonstrate some of PubMed's advanced search features. Good luck and happy searching!